Did you know your personal details might be exposed on CheckSecrets.com? This site collects and publishes your name, address, and phone number. Opting out is crucial to protect your privacy and keep your information secure. First, visit CheckSecrets.com and scroll down to Do Not Sell My Info. Enter your name and state to search for your listing. This is the first step to reclaiming your privacy. Once you locate your listing, click Continue and answer any additional questions. Complete the opt-out form with your details and submit it. This ensures your request is processed accurately. Finally, verify your request via the confirmation email from CheckSecrets.com. Your data should be removed within a few days, giving you peace of mind. Keeping personal details online can expose you to spam, scams, and identity theft. By removing your data, you safeguard your privacy and protect yourself from potential threats. CheckSecrets.com is just one of many data broker sites. For a faster way to remove your details from multiple websites, try Delete My Info. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com and let us do the work for you. By opting out, you'll reduce the risk of unwanted exposure and enhance your online security. Remember, taking control of your data is a proactive step towards safeguarding your digital life. Like and subscribe if this video helped. Stay safe online and take charge of your privacy today. Together, we can navigate the digital world more securely.